It's raw, bloody, regal, and ancient. A dish once whispered about on battlefields and later served beneath chandeliers. But where did steak tartare really come from? Did Mongol warriors really ride with raw meat beneath their saddles? And how did that turn into a fine dining ritual served with capers and confidence? You're watching Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Don't forget to subscribe, because today's story, it starts with blood and ends with elegance. Picture the 13th century, Central Asia. Genghis Khan's empire is roaring across continents. These men, the Mongol cavalry, moved fast. They didn't stop to cook. They didn't need to. Legend says they slipped raw meat beneath their saddles. Not to tenderize it, that part's probably myth, but to store it. Warmed and pressed by the horse's body heat, the meat was ready to eat, raw. Portable protein for an empire on the move. As Mongol influence swept westward, so did their customs. In the port of Hamburg, sailors took to eating minced beef with salt and onions. Later, the French, of course, refined it. They gave it precision, ceremony, an egg yolk, a silver fork, a name, steak, tartare, a nod to the Tatars, the Europeans' name for Mongol tribes, a dish named for warriors, perfected for royalty. So what actually goes into it? Classic steak tartare is simple and surgical. Hand-chopped raw beef tenderloin, Dijon mustard, deepen mustard, shallots, Worcestershire, raw egg yolk, gleaming like sunrise on red velvet. The meat is cold, pristine, finely diced, not ground. That matters. Ground beef mixes the outside and inside, spreading bacteria. Real tartare is chopped from the inside of a clean, fresh cut, the safe zone. It's raw, but not reckless. But let's be honest, raw beef makes people nervous. And maybe it should. Because bad tartare can definitely ruin your day, but good tartare, done right, it's a primal thrill wrapped in elegance. And it's not alone. Around the world, humans have trusted raw meat for centuries. Ethiopian kitfo, spiced, sacred. Araean yukho, chilled and jeweled. Lebanese kibbeh neya, ritual on a plate. Japanese gyu tataki, seared like a whisper, raw inside. Raw isn't primitive. It's personal. So, was steak tartare really born under a saddle? Maybe not exactly. But its roots, warrior fuel turned fine dining, are real. It's meat with memory, a dish that dares you. So here's the question. Would you eat raw beef with a raw egg if it was chopped with the precision of a scalpel? Tell us in the comments, like, subscribe, and come back next time. Because at Once Upon a Dish, something delicious happened.
Bon appétit!